All right, today we're gonna bring some LED lights for your storefront. This is how they're packed, right? They got the 3M tape ready to go, double-sided adhesive, ready to go. Now each one is gonna you go tied down together and add them how you want. You could cut them down if you want pieces, and of course every single one's individual wrap. They give you a couple spacing so you could have them all lined up or give them extra space. Now you are going to get for long window display, so you got all these packed in here, but my recommendation is solder them. All right, so you don't have to worry about, you just solder, or maybe you want to do any electrical to tape and then heat it up too so it can last longer. Especially if you're going to put this on the window, you're going to want to make sure it's set up. So we are going to display it in a window in a business that we have, and we're going to look at it and we're going to set it up at night so you guys can see how they work. But like I said, you got to make sure you have the right voltage. Make sure you have the power supply. You can buy the power supply and then tie it down within the power supply itself. Instructions aren't here how much voltage you require, but if you guys can see, they give you many pack of LED lights that you can use. So we're gonna put it together on the storefront. Now with the kit, the only thing that's not included is the DC 12 volt voltage transformer. It's not included, and also the LED module to control the lighting. All right, so with this module you could actually make it flash, or you could have it still. So that's not included. That's something you have to add on. So check out the lights, guys. They work very well. You guys can see that. If you have a business and you want to set them up on your business, this is a perfect shop. So we set them up on a flower shop, and they look very well. You guys can see it. You can spread them out and use them. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.